If I see front of me, I don't know what is my backside. Kullu nafsin zaiqatul maut. Everyone will get the test of death. If anyone
सेशंस जो होते हैं अलग अलग टॉक्स शी विल डिलीवर अबाउट द डिफरेंट टॉक्स.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I'm Shabnam. I'm a student. I'm pursuing Diniya Shashum at Madarasa Baitul Sindgi in Karnataka. Now I want to deliver some different talks. Like Allah, don't depend on anyone. One day we will die. Different talks. Different talks are a very big part of our course. Every week we select any topic, we prepare, we deliver our topic in front of our teacher. Whenever we commit the mistakes, maybe grammatical mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, whatever, our teacher rectify our mistakes. Allah. You praise or not, each and every animals are praising Allah. You praise or not, each and every birds are praising Allah. The leaves of trees are praising Allah. The fruits of trees are praising Allah. The fishes of oceans are praising Allah. Each and every one praising Allah. Allah is seeing. If you walk in darkness or lighten, Allah is seeing you. What is in earth, that Allah is seeing. What is in upper side of sky, that Allah is seeing. If I see right side, then I can't see left side. If I see left side, then I can't see right side. If I see front of me, I don't know what is my back side. One day we will die. Allah said in the Quran, Kullu nafsin zaiqatul maut. Everyone will get the test of death. If anyone is a big king, he will die. If anyone is a big queen of palace, she will die. If anyone is a big scholar, he will die. If anyone is a prime minister of any country, he will die. Everyone will die. I went up my speech, thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a fantastic night.